This video today is about something that we purchased for our daughter. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, stick your hand in there and pull it out. What is it?
Straws. Oh no, you can decorate them.
Yeah, well, let's open them up. So these are the straws. They just came in today. And instead of reusing plastic straws, we've gone with the metal ones. And this is the whole setup. How many are here? 4, 8, 12, right? It's 24 total, so it should be 24 straws.
So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
Perfect. Give me 5. So what,
that's how
you know what
many?
these are for? Do you know what those little cap things are for?
Just like decorating it.
Well, yeah, I guess you could decorate them. You're right. So that you can tell the difference between the straws. So that way, if I'm using a straw, you know that's my straw, right? And then your straw, let's say, could be pink and I could be purple.
No.
Right?
Yes,
So this is the
still
straw.
And then these are things so that you can clean the straw.
That is correct. That's so that you can clean the straw.
Wait. So it's like,
So show it on the camera.
yeah,
That's how you clean the straw.
Yeah, you stick
with
it.
the brush. Now let's measure. So the straws measure.
Right now there's nothing in here, so not dirty.
Over 10 inches total.
So many straws.
You get 24. Wait,
Oh,
we can't take them all out because we're gonna save 12 of them. Okay.
Oh my God! These
So we're
are
gonna
so
take twice. It's
satisfying.
24. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All these little ones and these big ones. I just
Oh, there's
noticed-
different sizes? I didn't even know that. You know that? I thought they were all one size. Okay. So, there are different sizes. So, let me see which one. So, these are the smaller ones. These measure
Look all sad.
about
oh my God,
8 inches.
That looks like.
There's only 2 size differences. So
Oh my
there's
God, that actually looks
a set of
dreamy.
those and a
That
set
looks
of
actually
those.
dreamy, like one of those it's like this. It looks so dreamy.
Let's do a close-up of the straw. So they're metal. We've been using them for a while. I just bought extra because no matter how much you try to safeguard them, you end up losing them. These are them, and it comes with 2 brushes. Oh no, you get 3 brushes on this.
Yeah,
4
but-
brushes. You get 4 brushes on this one. Are they all the same size? All the brushes are all the same size.
Okay.
Is that right? Yep, they're all same size, and they measure
They're all tiny.
about 10 inches, almost 10 inches, 9.5. So, and these are to clean the straws. It comes with 4 of them. So, how many of the 8-inch? How many are the big ones? Tell me.
So, how many of the big ones?
Yep.
There is okay. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's why. Now 1, 2,
This is
3,
rubbery.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so that must.
This is rubbery. So show us how this gets on the straw. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4. And
So that means there's like 14. Right?
16.
Yeah, 16.
16 straws, 24 tips.
Wait, I don't know how to put them on.
So I think the way you put them on, exactly the way you had it, just like that. So you just slip them in. They're rubber. And I guess one of the nice things is that if you're drinking something cold and you don't want to actually put your mouth or your teeth on the cold straw, because this will end up getting cold also, you can put it on the straw, on the rubber piece, and have no issues. Cool, right? So that's one of them set
Like
up.
really cold water.
Yeah. These are them. These are, how long are these?
And then also,
There's a bunch of colors.
and then this is like the whole thing. Oh, and you can also do that.
Almost 2 inches.
Do you know what this looks like?
What are you doing with that?
It looks like a gun.
No, that's not a weapon.
Or
So
what
let
it
me
actually
take.
doesn't look
So we're
like.
gonna leave.
It actually just
So how
looks
many?
like-
How many of these little tips do we have? I said we had 24, right? So
Like
we're gonna
24 hours.
4, 8.
24 hours. What happens if you want? Wait, let me see.
This is awesome. So do you like the straws?
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
You want to drink something with them?
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
So anyway, I guess this will be the end of the video. It's just a look at. They work well. I purchased them before in the past, no issues, even though she wants to drink something now. And it's 16 straws, 24 tips. Good price. Good for kids. You don't have to keep reusing straws.
Wait.
And they work well. Okay, I hope you liked the video. Thank you. Bye. You want to say bye?
Bye.
What?
Bye.
I didn't hear you.
Bye.
She said bye.